In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a password-protected landing page in Shopify. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. Find the option labeled Online Store and click on it. When you do, it will expand and reveal more options underneath. From those options, select Preferences. This is where you'll control how people access your store. Inside the Preferences page, look toward the top for a card or section labeled Store Access. Within that area, you'll see the password protection setting. Enable password protection by turning it on. As soon as you do, two new fields will appear below. One is for the password that visitors will need to enter, and the other is for a message that will be shown on your password page. Type in a secure password that you're comfortable sharing only with the people you want to have access. You can also add a short, friendly message explaining that the store is locked or coming soon. If you don't want to add a message, you can leave that field blank. When you're done, go to the top of the page near the search bar and click Save to apply these settings. Next, let's customize how your password page looks. Again, look at the left-hand menu and under Online Store, click on Themes. At the top of the Themes page, you'll see your current theme. On the right side of that theme, click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Once you're in the editor, look at the top center for the page selector, which is probably set to Home Page by default. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, and from that list, choose Password. This will switch the preview to your password page so you can edit it. On the left side, you'll see the sections that make up this page. You can only add new sections under the template area. To do that, click Add Section. A pop-up will appear showing all the types of sections you can add. Choose the one that best fits the design or content you want, like text, images, or a featured announcement. To rearrange sections, hover your mouse over a section until you can drag it, then move it up or down and drop it where you want. Some sections contain smaller pieces called blocks. To see them, click the small arrow next to a section to expand it. This will reveal the blocks inside, as well as an Add Block button if you want to insert a new block. If you want to remove a section or a block, hover over it and click the trash icon that appears. If you'd rather just temporarily hide it, click the eye icon instead. You can click the eye again later to make it visible. To change the content or style of any section or block, simply click on it. On the right side, you'll see options such as adding a background image, changing overlay opacity, adjusting the height, and choosing the position of your content. Scroll through the options to see everything that's available. Keep in mind that each section and block type will have slightly different settings, so explore them to get the look you want for your password page. When you're happy with your layout and design, don't forget the final step. Go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This will publish all of your changes to your password-protected landing page, so visitors will see the updated version the next time they enter your password.